You've gotten 3 foundation repair quotes, and they're nowhere close to each other in any sense of the imagination. One's super expensive, one's super cheap, one's in the middle, and nobody explains why. This leaves homeowners confused, overwhelmed, and unsure who to trust. The big question lying behind all of that is, why do foundation repair quotes vary so much, and what do those differences really mean? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and we've been providing transparent foundation repair assessments for the past 40 years. We help homeowners understand exactly what they're paying for so that they can compare their quotes the right way. So let's dive in. Foundation repair has many different repair methods, and that's going to mean different prices. Some companies are going to use much cheaper materials or quick fix systems, which are going to be able to provide a much cheaper repair quote. Others are going to use long-lasting methods and materials. They're going to cost more upfront. They're actually going to solve the problem. Next, it may just be a completely different scope of work. Maybe the first guy was looking at just doing a piece of the home, and the most expensive was maybe looking at doing the whole home. Maybe the guy in the middle was kind of a combination of the two. So there could be different varying scopes of work, and they're just not the same, and maybe that's why you're getting the really big cost differences in your quotes. Next thing, and probably one of the biggest, is labor and experience levels change the cost. Specialized crews and high quality work cost more. It's like going to the cheap car repair guy and he might get it fixed, or you go to the specialized mechanic designed for your vehicle. That vehicle is going to get fixed. The same thing in foundation repair. If you got a specialized crew that specializes and does this every day, those guys are just naturally going to cost more. Next up is the warranty and support differences. A company that has a strong warranty is going to factor that cost a little bit into their proposal, and the difference being a guy that's really cheap has a really vague warranty. He may not even honor it if you move forward with doing the repair quotes with him. It's going to cost more if they have a really strong, valuable warranty for you as a homeowner. Transparency makes the difference. A good contractor explains why they choose their plan, and if the quote lacks detail, that's usually where the big pricing gap can come from. What should you as a homeowner do now? The best thing you can do as a homeowner is compare quotes line by line, not just looking at the total price. Read every single piece of documentation that your contractors are sending you, and ask the contractor to explain their methods, materials, and long-term outlook for the project. Focus on value, clarity, and trust, not just the cheapest number. If you'd like to take a little deeper dive and do a little bit more research into this topic, we're going to put a link down below in the description that'll take you to an article on our website where you can do all the research that you'd like.